Hey everyone, welcome back to the JTech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to install iOS 17, iPadOS 17, macOS Sonoma. Now, I might be a little bit late on all of these updates, but I did say this in another video that I will be late. I will be a bit early. Before we start the intro, if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's roll that intro. Let's start off with macOS Sonoma. macOS Sonoma is one of the best macOS updates that has come out from Apple in a very long time. So let's show you how to install it. First off, there's some requirements. You're gonna need a MacBook, you're gonna need an online internet connection, you're gonna need yourself, obviously, and also you're gonna need an Apple ID. Here's how to install it. Go inside of your system settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update. Underneath Software Update, you should find something called Beta Update. If you click it, it will bring up macOS Sonoma Public Beta. All you have to do is click it and let it download. Now, if you're running on an older macOS machine, or if you're running on a macOS version that doesn't support all of this yet, all you have to do is head to the website, which I'll leave a link in the description down below of the website. All you have to do is click it and download the DMG. That's how you will get set up with macOS Sonoma. Isn't that simple? Now let's move on to iOS 17. iOS 17 and iPadOS 17 is going to be the same setup process. So I won't go inside iPadOS 17 in this one. All you have to do is do the same process as what you've done on macOS, which is open up the Settings app, go to General, Software Update, Beta Update. From there, you'll find iPadOS 17 or iOS 17 Public Beta. This is the easiest way to do it. Bear in mind, before we do anything, because I know I forgot to do this part, but before you do anything, I recommend you backing up your stuff onto a second device, a second machine, using a second device, not your primary device, your secondary device as your testing system. This is because public betas are still buggy and laggy at the same time, so if there's any problems and your whole entire MacBook decides to crash, you've lost all your data there. 95% of the time it wouldn't happen. There's that 5% chance that it will happen, so back up your data. To do this, there is multiple ways on backing up your data. I use multiple methods. I use one called Time Machine on macOS, which allows me to run another external hard drive or something like that on the side. What I have to do is plug it in and let it just update itself. It's similar to how it works with iCloud. iCloud is another one as well that you could use. It might take a little bit of time and it's a bit pricey when it comes to that expensive plan and you have so much storage. Also, if you don't think like doing that and you don't want to do it with an iPad, or if you have an iPad or iPhone, then you could use the iTunes app, also known as the Apple Music app on macOS, Windows, anywhere. This allows you to plug in your phone or iPad inside your computer or Mac and allows you to run a backup machine. If you ever become in any problems, all you have to do is head down in the link down in the description to get where the setup process is of how to recover back to your old operating system and get all your files, data, and everything back. But a quick overview of doing that is by holding down the button, I think it is the power button and the phone, the volume up button for a couple of seconds, and it will pop up with like a repair screen. All you have to do is plug it in your device into that backup machine and let the backup do whatever it needs to do. Now, for you to get the best experience out of using Time Machine on Windows or anything with using an iPhone or an iPad, what you'll need to do is you'll need to set a password to encrypt it. This will also encrypt your Apple Health Kit data and every single thing, including personal data. This is one of the things that I think make Time Machine and all these other softwares, backup softwares, amazing. Now, if you refuse or you don't feel like doing them types of things, you can instantly just use a cloud service like OneDrive, Google Drive, and store up as much as you can on it. You will have around about 5 to 10 gigabytes of free storage available with OneDrive and Google Drive, so that should be plenty of storage to at least put some of your important files on there. The rest of them you can leave. So that is how you install macOS Sonoma 17 and how you install iOS 17 and iPadOS 17. If you have any problems problems, please go down inside the comments section down below and I'll be able to help you out if you need any help. In the next video, we're going to show you how to install WatchOS 10 and some other stuff as well. Bearing in mind, I don't have them products, but I'll be able to at least guide you through step by step on how to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. And as I said before, if you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Please get me to 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing some unboxing videos, because I know everyone wants that. And this has been Jay from Jtech. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.